The Department of National Defense DND has reported following magnitude 6.1 earthquake struck New Bataan Davao on Wednesday night that only minor damage were reported as of reporting time. According to OCD spokesperson Assistant Secretary Bernardo Rafael Iteo Alejandro, that majority of the property damages were residential. Several minor injuries were reported, Alejandro said, but exact number yet to be determined. The supply of power, water and communication remained uninterrupted as of reporting time, Alejandro said. Affected OCD regional offices and local disaster management offices are conducting assessments, coordination and monitoring for further development. Meanwhile, the FIVOC's advises to the affected areas that aftershocks, which happens every day, while the religious groups keep getting worse and trumpeting the residents to confess Tiachaya sins, a re-echo of what was happening in the time of Noah and Lot, wherein sexual lust was habitually became a lifestyle activity of the humanity. That is why God sent disaster to return humans to God.
Sa binuhat mo, ibong gitaligdan ng Diyos na mao'y nagbuhat na nimo. Undani ang magsimba sa dako nga alas, naghalad sa mga bukid, magsimba sa mga Diyos-Diyos na dili-dili mo tinuod na Diyos. Tanan na naitunggan karon, tanan nga makatubog. Istorya ni ninyo sa inyong mga kaigsunan nga naitunggan aron magpapangandam, aron makaandam sa dako nga sino sa atong buhay nga Diyos.
Once again, good evening, and thank you for watching Global News and Vlogcast TV. For updates of the upcoming news, please subscribe, like, share, view, comments Global News and Vlogcast TV, so that you can be updated on news and sports.